I'm a software developer in my late 20s working for Google. A large portion of my compensation comes in the form of stock and vests every 3 months. I want to sell some and buy other assets, but not sure if I should wait for the price to rebound first. And would you recommend waiting or hopping on a faster horse sooner than later? So this is one I think about a lot because I have legacy Google from a long time ago. Cost base is very low, but I've grown very impatient. So I do believe there's a couple of things happening with Google, and I do watch it very carefully. One, it is at an inflection point. They're going through a huge adjustment process. They're going through a lot of one-time off-cash adjustments due to layoffs. I think last round they laid off 12,000 people. I hope your job is still safe and secure. They have also changed their accounting model. They're compressing operating margins for the core business while increasing them for Google Cloud. They want to kind of catch up with AWS, and that would also have components of AI in it too. And the EPS estimates for the company have decreased by 41% from their highs, which is not good. EPS is earnings per share. And there is a lot of negative consensus against the firm right now. And of course, AI is a huge part of this whole inflection. They're changing direction, re-gearing the whole machine. But think of Google as a big, huge tanker. It takes a long time to turn it around. So that's kind of where they are. Let's look at the financials and at 41%, what it looks like visually. This is the profit margin getting crushed. The blue is revenue, which has gone up. We're back above Q4 2021 levels. Net income is kind of like the light green. It's going down as a percentage of revenue. And you can see the orange, the most important line, is the profit margin is tanking. And that is not good. That's not what you want. Although the growth is there, the profit margin is taking a hit. Let's look at the chart. This is the turning around. So even though people were like saying, oh, Google, it's not doing well, it's actually not too bad when you can compare it to other assets. It's only 28% from its all-time high. And yes, it is that tanker. And yes, I do believe there are faster horses. And yes, I still have Google, but I am definitely considering selling some soon or all and moving it to somewhere else. So I hope that helps. Not financial advice, of course, just sharing what I would do. And I think as well, a lot of people are very concerned that Microsoft is going to eat their lunch in the search business. I'm not concerned about that at all. What I am concerned about is how long it takes them to get their profit margins up again. Or will AI change the deal for them? It is already. It's making them completely revise how they operate, which is huge. But just consider AI not just being disruptive to us, but it's disruptive to place like Google, who were the kind of, and they were there at the very, very early days of AI, way back when. In fact, there was an interesting conversation where Elon Musk was working with the CEO of Google. They didn't meet eye to eye and they parted ways. So a little bit of history there.